Mastering the language of copyright law, prefixes and suffixes. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of intellectual property law, focusing on a topic that affects many aspects of our everyday lives: copyright law. Understanding the language of copyright law is incredibly valuable, and today we'll be doing just that by exploring some important prefixes and suffixes commonly found in this area. So, let's unravel the complex lingo of copyright law together. First, let's start with prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters added at the beginning of a word to create a new word with a different meaning. Some commonly used prefixes in copyright law include un, in, co, and sub. 1. Un. This prefix indicates the negation or the opposite of the original word. For instance, uncopyrighted refers to a work that doesn't have copyright protection. 2. In, similar to un, in, is often used to show the negative or opposite. Infringement, a key term in copyright law, indicates the action of breaking the terms of a law or agreement. 3. Co. This prefix means together or with. Co-author refers to an individual who has worked with others to create a copyrighted work. 4. Sub is used to show something that is less than or secondary. In copyright law, sublicense is a legal term used to describe the granting of rights under a license by the licensee to a third party. Now, let's move on to suffixes. A suffix is added at the end of a word, altering its meaning or changing its function within a sentence. Some common suffixes in copyright law include meant, tion, and ship. 1. This suffix is used to form a word that refers to a person who performs an action. For example, infringer refers to a person who infringes on someone else's copyright. 2. Meant. Words ending in ment often denote an action or resulting state. As mentioned earlier, infringement describes the act of infringing on a copyright. 3. Tion. This suffix is typically used to form nouns from verbs. For instance, violation, from the verb violate, refers to the act of violating or infringing on a copyright. 4. Ship. The ship suffix denotes a state or condition. In copyright law, ownership refers to the state of owning or possessing a copyright. And there you have it. A primer on some of the key prefixes and suffixes used in copyright law. By understanding these prefixes and suffixes, you'll find it much easier to navigate the complex language of copyright law. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you all the best in your continued English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for our next deep dive into the world of legal and business vocabulary.